Pathooty, a robot designed by 17-year-old Kerala student. Yes, a Pathooty robot designed to serve food and distribute newspaper has been designed by 17-year-old class 12 student named Mohammad Siad in Kerala. The Pathooty robot was built using an ordinary component just like a aluminium sheet, plastic stool, female dummy, and a serving plate. The Pathooty robot is capable of serving food and delivering newspaper to room by rooms. Siad built the robot as a part of the study project in a school. He said that he used plastic stool, aluminium sheet, female dummy, and a serving plate to construct the Pathooty robot. The operation of the robot is controlled by an ultrasonic sensor. Mohammad Siad said that the robot can work in both automatic and manual mode and easily carry 5 to 6 kg weight. The cost of the building robot was only 10,000. That's it for today, guys. Thank you.